Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's beginner's video I have a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you how to jump start the battery. This video will apply to Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now the battery on these vehicles will be located under the front hood on the passenger side, right here. Now for the purpose of this video, I will be using this small jump starter, but if you have like a bigger booster pack or jumper cables, process will be completely the same. Okay, so the most important thing is to connect red positive cable to the positive battery terminal and the black or negative cable to the negative battery terminal. Now most of the batteries will be also marked with a plus or minus. Now on this battery the marking is just down here. This is going to be a minus, and just under here, it's not really visible, this will be the plus. But also every vehicle will have either red or black markings on the cables as well. So as you can see, this is the black one and this here is the red one. So positive, positive, negative, negative. Okay, now you can proceed to connect the cables, and that's gonna be it. Now in my case, once this light here is green, I'm good to go to proceed inside the vehicle and try to start it. If you're using a booster pack, you will just have to turn it on and then you should be good to go. If you are using jumper cables, pay attention to connect the other side of the black cable to the negative battery terminal on the other vehicle, and connect other side of the red cable to the positive battery terminal on the other vehicle. Once that is done, first you will start the other vehicle and then you will start this non-running vehicle, right? If it still doesn't start, you can try pressing the gas pedal on the other vehicle to give a bit more power. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.